Who's ready for bowling? Bowling! Bowling!
Bowling?
Ivan! Bowling! Ivan, nice to see you, man. I've got to check out your bowling skills. Carter, you're going to beat everybody. You're probably going to be the best bowler here, huh? Do it, kid. Got some competition. You know how to handle the Kim-san. Watch Kim-san. Oh, nice technique, Kim-san. Very nice. Oh my God! Oh my God! Kim-san! 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 Hey guys, nice bowling. Who had the best score overall? Was it Ivan?
Steve first and then me.
Steve, Duramax, and Ivan? Yeah. All right, BMW and Duramax, American power right there, baby. Dude, I'm starving. Al, are you all right, Al?
No,
He's not okay.
He's not so good, bro.
Dude, let's go eat some dinner, man. This is awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Ford's Garage, man. Have you ever been here before?
Never.
Okay, show them your hamburger bun. Stevie, check this out. Look at that. Branded Ford's Garage.
Very cool.
For car lovers, I think we're the only JDM crew here tonight, but not bad. What is this called? The brisket.
The Chevy sandwich.
The brisket melt
Ooh.
something.
This
Something.
is the Chevy sandwich.
The
Chevy sandwich in the Ford Garage. Al got that. I got that. The kid got the burger. Kim-san, you got it with us. Stevie, what do you got?
I have a Jiffy Burger.
The Jiffy Burger.
The Jiffy Burger.
Little oil change right there.
That's
huh?
right.
That's right. A little lubrication. Stevie, what about Carter?
What'd you get?
What you got there, buddy?
I got a Nashville hot chicken sandwich.
Wow.
Nashville hot chicken.
Make that hair grow a little bit more tonight, huh?
It's gonna be a hell of a bush
Nice.
tomorrow.
Very good. Ivan.
Nice.
More
High
power,
octane.
man.
High octane.
More power. I cannot not do it.
E85.
Hey. Guys, What a fun night, eh, Steve?
So much fun,
Bowling, food, cool cars. This is awesome, man. いただきましょうか。皆さんチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして日々前進前向きにやっていきましょうね。いつもサムズアップ的に。Thanks, guys. What a great time. Let's do this again soon. Woo! Until next time. See you guys.
Those are good, dude. You miss all the fire out of